Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create effective Pinterest ads to drive traffic to your website. First, you'll want to make a Pinterest business account. Once you do, you'll be brought to your dashboard, which is what you can see here. To begin, you want to link your website to your business account. From there, you can start creating ads. To create ads, all you need to do is create pins, and then once you've created pins, you can turn them into ads. When creating these ads, you want to make sure to add in correct tags. These will bring in the attention of your target audience. To do that, all you need to do is scroll down and click on View Trends. From here, you can type in keywords that you can use to see if they're trending or not. One of the most important things is to also make sure that you are constantly pinning, whether it be organically, which means that you do not create an ad, or if you do use ads. Either way, you want to make sure to carry on pinning, as this will help you bring more traffic to your website. If you would like to also track your performance, make sure to claim your domain and also install the tag and conversions. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.